In this tutorial, I'm going to provide help on how you are going to solve the problem of your number or your account being banned by WhatsApp. The first step you need to take is to update your WhatsApp. So if you are using an Android smartphone, open the Play Store, okay? If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. So I'm using an iPhone here, so I will tap on App Store. As the App Store opens, search for WhatsApp. As the WhatsApp shows up in the search results, if your WhatsApp is not up to date, tap on update, okay? Here my WhatsApp is up to date and there is no issue, okay? So after you updated your WhatsApp, tap on the app for it to open and then try out to know if it has been fixed. Sometimes the glitch is caused because your WhatsApp application is out of date. Solution 2. Uninstall your WhatsApp app, okay? And then reinstall it again. So if I'm to uninstall this app, I'll tap on remove app, okay? In your own case, if you are using an Android, just tap and hold on the app and select uninstall. Solution number 3, contact WhatsApp, okay? So open your App Store or Play Store. Here I'm using an iPhone, so I'll tap on App Store. Then search for WhatsApp. As it shows up in the search results, tap on it for it to open fully. Then scroll down. Tap on developer website. As the WhatsApp website opens, just as you can see on the screen right now, scroll to the bottom part of the page, okay? Tap contact us. Then you can see the options here: contact WhatsApp, WhatsApp Messenger support, WhatsApp business support. Here we assume that the issue is on WhatsApp Messenger, so we are going with the first option. So tap on contact us. Then read through. It says WhatsApp Messenger support. To better assist you, contact us from your phone by opening WhatsApp settings. No problem, we are okay with this, okay? So here, fill your phone number, all right? So here I'm from Nigeria, so +234 is selected. Then I'll fill the rest of the numbers. Fill your email address, confirm the same email address, okay? Here I'm using iPhone, so iPhone is detected by default, all right? Then in the please enter your message below. In this box, describe what really happened, that you are not able to access WhatsApp and you need your phone number to be activated for WhatsApp again. Once you are detailed enough and get to the next page, follow the on-screen guide until you submit the message. WhatsApp team will respond to you between 24 hours and 48 hours on how that issue can be fixed. I hope this guide helps. Please, if it does, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. See you some other time.